Hi, I'm Cam,
This is Max, and welcome to our product review.
Right now, we're going to the cafeteria to test out this product. All you're gonna need is just a cup of water because everything else just comes in with the package. Once you have everything ready, you're gonna go ahead and want to open this ramen package and make sure it's in the red bowl with holes in it. Once you open the ramen inside of the bowl, you're gonna go ahead and add some water on top of it and just smush it up so it actually fits inside of the bowl. Once you put the ramen inside of the red bowl, you're gonna want to microwave this for around 5 minutes. Once the time is up, you're gonna want to make sure everything is cooked well, and you're just gonna want to start mixing it inside of the water. Once you're done mixing it, go ahead and put it into the black bowl. The criteria for this product is how useful the product is it worth the cost, and did it cook well?
On a scale of 1 through 10, how useful this product is, I would give it a 10. It's very easy, and you just gotta add water and just put the ramen in there. I'm not gonna lie, it's very easy.
Now we're getting into is this product worth the cost? And in my honest opinion, I don't think this is worth $15. I feel like a smooth 8, maybe at max 10, but yeah, I don't think it's worth the cost. And now we're gonna be rating how well it cooked the ramen.
This is a struggle.
That's perfectly cooked.
Yeah, it's not undercooked, overcooked. It's good.
It's perfect.
Perfect, not too soggy.
This is a 10 out of 10 product.
10 out of 10. Overall, I give this product a 10 out of 10. It's very useful and it's easy to use.
I agree with Max on this one. 10 out of 10. It's pretty cool.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys
Next time.
Bye bye.